Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To change our Facebook profile picture, we can put the mouse over the photo we currently have and an option called Update will appear. We click. Here we have the option to choose some photo that we have in our gallery. I'm going to click on the landscape image. We can increase the size here to be able to adjust the image. Then click on Save. We already have a new profile image. Now, I will click on Update again. After this, we click on Upload Photo. I will double-click on this how-to image. At the bottom again we can change the size, moving left or right. We can also change the position of the image, just click and drag it to fit according to what we want. In the upper part we can write a text. I'm going to add an emoticon with a wink. Then click on Save. Ready, our profile picture has changed. Finally, I'm going to click on Update to return to the first photo. As I had already uploaded it, it is saved here. I will click to select it. It can't be adjusted because the image has been saved with the cropping setting I made when I uploaded it. Click on Save. Excellent. We've got our picture back. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.